What's the time? Time to march, boy. Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
Light infantry sections on standby.
Section command post.
Aussie rifles standing by.
Section command's done. Let's get men on the front line pronto.
What have you got? Gaza, you're on flag duty. We'll cover.
Position's ours. Spark up while there's time.
You need light infantry?
Sappers, report in.
The lads are account. We'll have it in no time at all.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Sappers, report in.
Flag raised. Ready to move on. Secure in location. Looking for trouble.
Dingo on station.
You need a dingo?
Sappers, oh, Jerry's in ours. Can we blow it up now?
Aussie rats here.
Scout car, here. Heading off. Engage on sight. Expect
Contact forward.
All right, then.
Contact forward.
Let's get rolling, lads. Bingo under enemy fire! All right, keep your knickers on. Full stop. Pull over. All right, keep wait. Back, back. We read you.
We have infantry support. Australians, no less.
Oh, wait, did it there? We're moving. Hold the position. Cavalry can't be too far off.
Commander,
Sappers, fall back.
bingo, in combat.
We've lost contact with our sappers.
We hear you've got trouble.
What now? Get on it, lazy dick.
Desert rat. Listen up, all of you.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Come on! Over there! Pressing fire on the infantry! Full throttle!
We're going. Enemy rifles. They're having a
Right
go.
on tick! Keep their heads down! Fire! Keep those troopers in there!
Where's the Here. Out the door. Pick one.
We're veterans! Vehicle men back up! Back us up!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Hey! Now!
Dingo light recon. Lost them.
That's it, lads! Infantry dead! Get back! The lads are accounted for. See if we can't get a sideline.
We've lost a sector.
Commander! Aussie's here! Maintain distance! Infantry!
A Dingo recon vehicle has been made ready.
Yours!
We're losing a munitions point.
Platoon command post is done. Call in what you need.
Fire command! Report contact!
Come on, Jack. Got a move.
Patience, lads! Like, but stop!
Dingo! Intro! Go! Bloody go! Throw it in reverse! Full stop! Pull over!
Commander, come on! Give it a little haste!
Ready as we'll ever be! We're back! Back!
Desert rat!
Stop! Stop! What now?
Light infantry have a job to do! You've got trouble!
We need space for the wounded.
Where are we going?
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Yeah.
give us some breathing room.
Aussie rat
Get
here!
patched up,
With
lads.
you, lolly! Waiting on your word! You need light infantry?
The enemy has our victory points now.
Aussie rat here! Light infantry closing on us! There! Now! Finish! Maintain distance! Infantry! Moving! We hear you! Let's get some blisters for your blisters! The lads are accounted for! Where are we going? Setting our subject tight!
Right, we hear
Infantry
ya.
closing on us!
The boss holds all victory points. And now.
All right, driver, take your time.
Listen up! All of you! Fall out! Come marching! Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Making headway to the target! Desert rats! They found us! Scout car here! Coordinates received! Moving!
Send your message.
Listen up!
Dingo.
All of
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
Pushing on with the attack.
You have 3 command points available.
Steady on. Who taught you out,
All
bloody
right,
drive?
moving
Scout
forward.
car's in trouble here.
Oz, come on! Give it a little haste! Coordinates received! Target!
Dingo, put down, driver. Wait!
Light infantry
Enemy vehicles
like
burning.
we've never marched!
What now?
Infantry closing on us!
We're stuck. Hold tight.
It's gonna get rough! Hush up!
Foot down, driver. Make a move. All right, keep your knickers on. Now then, Dingo scouting ahead, pulling over.
A victory point is being overrun.
Aussies taking ground! Passes in gear! What have you got? Wait here!
Heading to our destination now.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Now you go!
Vehicle needs a heading.
Infantry training is underway, Commander.
Infantry!
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Inside!
Light vehicle.
Ready, infantry. We're moving.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
There you are! Easy, hey!
Aye, we're ready. Hold here.
Victory point under enemy control.
I'm moving! Listen up! All of you!
Orders. Drop to it, lads.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go! And our Aussies on the line! Coordinates received! Stop and wait!
We hear you, Iron Moon.
Back up! There! Get to cover! Mortar!
Scout, what is this? Where will
Aussie
drive?
rats!
Move!
We're losing a victory point.
Maintain distance!
Destination now.
Infantry!
Start. What now?
Desert rat!
Advancing to attack.
We read you! Enemy half track!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Out there!
Ready for action.
Just come on! Give it a little
Now.
haste! Light infantry engaged! Come on!
Ready attack. Johnson.
Word from the front. Our Australian infantry were killed.
Take a leg, you 6-pounder waiting on you,
Ready
sir.
as we'll ever. Back up! Back
The
us
lads are
up!
accounted for!
We're standing by. Split the trails. We're roaring. No rest for the wicked.
Ours now! See if we can't get a
Mucking
sideline!
about! With mirror, signal, driver!
Weapon emplacements are available for construction.
Back up! Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Marching!
What you got for
The
us?
enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Let's go looking for trouble, shall we?
Fueled up and ready. We're moving out, chums. Pulling over.
Aye, we're ready. 6-pounder deploying. We'll cover here.
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
6-pounder up. Give him a taste, eh?
We hear you! Rifles up! Passes in gear!
We can't take this.
Report. One of our anti-tank guns is gone.
get moving!
What have you got?
Send your message!
Setting our sights and moving out.
Territory sector lost, Commander. Australian infantry support is reporting in.
Going for a little stroll. Maybe you can scrap. 6-pounder, anti-tank.
15 CWT trucks rolling in now.
Alright, that means glory!
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
Grab those tanks and point it downwind!
The beggars are threatening a capture point.
Infantry has us linked!
Move! Not the enemy's fire! Go!
We're losing through! Right, come on!
making headway with
These
the
are under enemy fire!
Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
Listen up! Break to cover you, Burks! Into the building! While it beats!
We have munitions ready to be used, Commander.
Get distraction myself! Through! To the breach!
Our victory point is being overrun.
Infantry taking losses here! Give them a run!
We're losing a victory point. We've lost communication with one of our squads.
Infantry closing on us! Grab the bomb! We are boarded nearby! Climbing up in the ranks! That's it! Give it to them! Enemy in range! Get to cover! Like we've never marched before! Open up, lads! Help! What is it?
Build up and release.
Light infantry engaged! Support back! Let's go!
Company command post is finished, sir.
Stop mucking about. Take your stations. We're heading out. Full throttle. We're full stop. Pull over. To the right. Full stop. Pull over. Hold up. Hold it. We've got contact with a bloody enemy. Go. Repositioning.
Aussie Rat, pop to it! Fully reinforced! Grab your gear!
Over-repair doctrine shall keep us in this fight a little longer, don't you think?
We hear you, video!
Vehicle needs a heading! Our munitions point is being overrun. Now then, Jerry's not giving up without a fight. We're down to 300 points. We have munitions ready to be used, Commander.
The lads are
The enemy have taken our territory.
stealing it out from under them.
Send your message. Let's give us some breathing room. Ready for more. Stop. What now?
You need light infantry? Rifles up, asses in gear! Setting our sights and moving out. What have you got? Quit your lollygagging and march! We hear you!
Artillery trip flares shall be distributed to the men.
Way to the target! You need light infantry! Quit your lollygagging and march! Wait here! Enemy in range! Get to cover! Come on! Give it a little haste!
What's that order?
Commander, like we've never met!
A-15 Crusader is on station and ready for orders. Commander!
Let's be up, gents!
Matching it up
Got
now.
work to do!
Aussie's here! There! Now!
I think we're up, lads.
Aussie Rat, boss man
The
down!
enemy has claimed a sector.
Infantry, here!
is
Are we ready?
finished.
Let's get moving.
We just lost our CMP truck.
Crusader gas and good to go.
Royal Engineers, ready. Flamethrower
Ready to lead
duty.
the charge. Coming. Enemy fire! Crusader on the hook! Back! Back us up! Right! Timer! Slow down!
Sappers up, and here we go.
Albert! Reverse!
Wait, welders out. Get to repair.
Crusader cruiser finished.
Close the hatches up! Ready to lead the charge! Crusader gas and good to go! Ready to lead the charge! Man, you ready? Not flogging a dead horse, but we ready. What's the old done? Keeping
Not had
alive
orders in
profile.
yonks. Sappers
Stop
ready.
this bloody heat!
Royal Engineers, yeah? Is it load bearing? Then it's fixed.
Crusader on the driver, stop!
Royal Engineers, oh, we
Wait,
need it
Jack.
elsewhere, lads. Let's
Hey,
get to
gotta
it.
move,
The
Jack!
Bosch are pushing hard. They're down to 250 points.
Word!
Is it load bearing? Then it's fixed.
Give us some breathing room!
Boyos.
Engine chugging along. Clear through. Let's move, Jack! Ready to lead the charge! Please wait, we're not tugging into the engine shot. Moving anyway. Keeping a low profile. Let's move this bloody boat now! Let it go! Stop now! Yeah! Say that, taking plastic blows! Good job! Albert! Reverse! Straighten up! Stop! Driver! Dead stop!
High-risk supply runs may yield the resources we need, Commander.
Slow down! Gunner! Enemy fire! Crusader on the hook! Oh, now! Driver! Anchors here! Lock and loaded! They're all dead! Crusader taking plastic blows! Hold it out! Lads! Enemy fire! Different control! Right, Crusader! Enemy being done in! Right, bloody move this one! Driver, try to break
Crusader tank knocked out.
Right, driver! Now! Stalled out! Dead in the water!
Where are we going?
Stop it! Look lively! Orders! Half track cocked up this time!
Hold the enemy into submission. Creeping barrages are available.
Infantry attacking!
Stand by, all guns.
Right side for
Fire!
creeping up!
Stop and wait! Orders! Fire!
We need out.
On ordnance received!
Let's be off, chaps! Got work to do!
Listen here! Now!
Hey, gotta move, Jack!
Commander, come on! Give it a little haste!
Hold your asses. Move. Repair. We're all tore up. Taking fire.
Okay!
Move, boyos.
Enemy infantry getting torpedoed! Take cover!
Under enemy fire, yeah?
Man's coming through!
Welders out.
Aussies
Get
here!
to repair.
Coordinates received!
It's ready to go!
Enemy rifles! They're having a go! That's it! Give it to them! Desert rat! Got him on the back foot! Open up, lads! Pucker! Pin him down! Like we hold! What is it? Moving! Listen up! All of you!
Yeah, we're chugging in ready!
I'm marching!
Armour ready, eager
Commander!
and willing! Let's slow down a minute.
Matilda infantry support available for orders.
Armour's ready to go! Well done!
We are losing a victory point to enemy action.
Driver, hold your horses!
Sappers receiving orders.
Come on! Give it a little haste!
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Lead the charge! aye. Can't find anyone else.
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Stafford, we've got orders to move.
What
So
you got
move.
for? We'll get it done.
What's the time? We could do that. Stopping. No, it's not tea time.
Crusader gas! Well, that's going to leave a mark. Back up! Move! Driver! Halt! 4! Down! The hell, you're not going to poke holes in us with that! Hold it! Clean out that engine to tell they're taking minor damage!
Back at full strength.
I need sustained fire!
Not had one. Action it up now.
Ready! Full stop! Grab that bloody engine and get moving!
Yes, let's get moving, lads!
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field. Well engineers out of contact. Presumed dead.
They're bloody moving! Help us get dead! Stay down! Get on, father! Deal with it ourselves!
Sweeping barrage underway. Brace for impact. Come on, chaps, we've got to move. Steady on. Who told you that, bloody drive? Pull it over.
Alright, hold up, let's get started. Lads, 17 prepare facing. 17 pounders setting up.
Stop mucking about.
We're down there! Yeah! Most the action's up! Rob to see a man about a dog. What orders! Only 17 pounders reversing! Stay there and go again! Ranged us! Take orders! Stay there, acknowledging! Back! Back it up! Watch the small arms!
Brethren, here's you. Back up. Back us up. Slow us up.
Right, let's move, Jack! Those buggers want our attention!
Brethren, relocating.
Going in, boys! Hold it out! Play! Watch the back!
What's that order?
There we go! Get unhitched! It's done! Onward! Reverse! Enemy fire! Sailor on the hook! Get us out of here! Reverse! It's ammo! 6-pounder ready weapons,
Shields
combat
up and
patrol!
ready. Come on, chaps, we've got to move.
I think we're up to it, lad!
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Orders! Jump to it, lads! Gain some distance!
Roger that. Come on. Stop. Royal engineers on the field and ready for your orders. Stations, we're heading out. 25-pounders with supercharged rounds are on standby orders.
Ready for attack! Castles in each sight!
The 50th CWT truck has been wrecked by the enemy.
Forward! Stop! Get down!
Moving out, chums. We're going.
He's on the way!
Relocating.
On me, lads! We're carrying it! Shift in the business end! We're up! On your feet! Ready for orders! Let's get a ladder!
Stand by, all guns. Fire! Need a president, get rolling, man. Force just in. Enemy have 300 points left.
HMG team ready! That's a promotion! Well earned! 3 tons of mismanaged steel here.
Standing by.
Keep us busy while I reload back to full strength.
Stafford's on site. What's action it up now? 5 Royal engineers, ready.
Retreat! Come on!
elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
Our 17-pounders ready!
Grant's medium tanks are being called to the front. The Bosch are losing ground. Down to 250 points now.
See the other guy?
Right there! You're in shape. Ready for more. Pull it over. A victory point is being overrun. Right, we're set to go. Put down, driver! Break a move! Wait! The enemy has our victory point now. There's your target! Right bloody now! We need you!
Zappers.
Roll now! It's not all stop! Pull over!
17-pounder, eager for targets.
We have munitions ready to be used, Commander. 25-pounders with supercharged rounds are on standby orders.
Front
All
and
right,
centre,
moving
Charlie.
forward. Follow me, one.
3 tons of mismanaged steel here.
Territory. The battle falls in our favor. We're losing a fuel point.
What's the task?
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Hold the axis and stop when I say so.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
MG here, say the word.
The Vegas are threatening a victory point. Sweeping barrage underway. Brace for impact.
Time to make it nice. Sitting outside the
The Vegas are threatening a munitions point.
We're advancing.
MG here, say the word.
A munitions point is being overrun. Armored vehicles are receiving frontline training.
Say that, taking lasting blows!
Enemy ground forces have claimed the sector.
Enemy tank! Get them before they get us again!
Let's get some blisters for your blisters.
Enemy moving the ground! Driver! Enemy fire! Stay them on the hook!
Tank crew training completed.
Hold down! Albert, get on it!
Shot.
The enemy flees from the front. Shall we pursue?